A very good morning, all my dear students. I hope that you all are fit and fine at home. Okay, so let's start today's computer class. Today we'll continue chapter 2, Movie Maker, in which we have discussed till rearranging media clips. Okay, so today we will start the class with the topic trimming media clips. Okay, so what is the meaning of trimming any media? See, basically, if you want to reduce the duration of your video clip, so for that you can use the trim option. Okay, actually, it will not affect the actual size of your file, but for the playing purpose of the video, it will reduce the duration only. Okay, that part will be invisible at the time of running the movie. Okay, so for doing so, first of all, you have to drag the video clip to the timeline. Okay, just select your video clip and drop it to the timeline. Then choose the edit tab. Okay, click on the edit tab here. Okay, as you will click on this edit tab, okay, so many options will be there. Okay, so from this edit tab, next you have to click on the editing group, this one. In this group, choose this trim tool option. Okay, after this window will appear where you have to specify the starting point and the end point. Okay, the starting point from where and the end point till where you want to trim the clip, that portion, the duration of that portion. Okay, after this, as you will set this position, okay, so then click on the save trim option. As you will click on this save trim option, then you can see the preview of your movie, how it will look after trimming, and you can play the movie, and if you find it okay, then you can save it. Okay, next option is splitting media clip. Splitting means if you want to divide your media clip, okay, in two and more parts. So for doing so, again you have to choose the edit option. Okay, edit, and then choose the video tool. In video tools option, you will find the edit tab. In this edit tab, choose the split option. Here it is. Okay, so choose this split option. From here you can split your clip into two or more parts. Okay, last is saving your movie. How to save your movie? So for saving your movie, click on the file tab and choose save project option. Okay, as you will click on the save project option, so this kind of box will appear. Here you have to specify the name of your project and then click on this save button. Your project will be saved. Okay, next topic is how to export your video clip. Export means why we need to export that file, because as you save your project means your media clip, as you save your media clip in Movies Maker, so it is saved with its default extension. Okay, the default extension of Movies Maker is .wlmp. Okay, so your project will be saved with this extension. But if you want to change the format of your clip, okay, if you want to save your clip in any other format, so for that you need to export your movie clip. Okay, so for exporting, what you have to do, first of all, just select the video clip and click on the home tab. Okay, and choose the save movie. Okay, wait, yes, first of all click on the home tab. As you will click on home tab, this one, click on this home tab. Okay, after clicking on this home tab, then you have to choose the save movie button. Okay, save movie button. Okay, as you will click on save movie button, so this kind of window will appear. You can see save movie box will appear. This one, the save movie box will appear. Here you can write another name of your file, and from this list, this list you can change the format of your file. Okay, if you want to change the format of your file, means you want to save it any other format. Okay, we use this option exporting specially to change the format of the clip. Okay, so choose the desired format and click on the save option. Okay, as you will click here, the process bar will appear, and after the completion of this progress bar, your movie will be converted into another format. Okay. Last topic of the chapter is publishing a movie. After saving your movie in a desired format, you can publish it over internet, or if you want to save it in OneDrive, you can do that also. If you want to share it in YouTube or anywhere, you can choose any option from this list. Anywhere you can share your project. So first of all, click on the file tab and then choose the publish movie option. See, first click on the file menu, then choose publish movie option. Okay, as you click here, so this list will appear. From this list you can choose any option where you want to share your project. Okay, as you will choose a particular platform where you want to publish it. Okay, so at the end you have to click on this publish button. Okay, as you will click on this button, so your movie clip will be published or will be uploaded to that particular platform. Okay, so these all were the contents of this chapter. At the end we have the recap portion. So just quickly take a quick review what we have learned. Windows Movie Maker, which is a free software for editing and manipulating the video clips or movies. Okay, it allow you to directly download audio and video files from internet, and you can apply transitions and visual effects in your movie. You can use multiple visual effects in a video clip. Okay, and we can add titles, caption and credits and text in our movie wherever we need. Okay, we can trim the clips, we can publish the clips, we can what we else can do, we can change the sequence of our clips, and you can split your video clip. Okay, these all were the points that we have covered in this chapter. Okay, now we have this exercise part, for which I told you to read the chapter and try to find the answers of these fill in the blanks and true and false. So here I am telling you the answers. The first one is Windows Movie Maker is a free powerful video editing software. Second, the default extension of Movie Maker is .wlmp, and in Movie Maker we can give caption, title and credits in our clip. Okay, then fourth, trim tool is used to reduce the duration of the clip. Next, storyboard is used to navigate through your clip. And last is 6.1, the fade in option is used to increase the volume of audio. Fade in is used to increase the volume of the audio, and fade out is used to decrease the volume. Okay, now in true and false, first one is Movie Maker can be downloaded for free. Yes, it's true. Movie Maker has auto saves option. Yes, it is also true. Third one, Windows Movie Maker allow the user to directly download the music from online store. Yes, it's also true. Fourth one, movie created on Windows Movie Maker cannot be shared online. It's false. Okay. Fifth one, Windows Movie Maker allow you to add video clips in your project but does not support image files or photos. It's false. Last, you cannot add multiple visual effects in a single media file. It's also false. Okay, Now let's discuss about this application based questions. So Bharti wants to create 3-minute long movie in Movie Maker. She had imported a clip in Windows Movie Maker which is about 4 minutes. She wants to reduce the size. So what she can do, she can trim the video. She can use trim option. Okay. In second question we have Amit is making a video from the picture he took during his last vacation with friend. He want to write some description on each image. So what option he can use? So he can add captions in pictures. Okay, he should use captions. Last application based question is Rashmi has just finished compiling a movie in Movie Maker. Now she wants to directly upload on YouTube. So suggest her the option to share. So for publishing the movie, first of all we have to click on the home tab, then choose the share option. Okay, share movie clip option, and from there she can share it. Okay, in MCQs the first one is are added at the end of the project, credits are added at the end, and artistic, black and white, these are our visual effects, and which option is used to decrease the volume. Fade out is used to decrease the volume. Which property is used to divide the clip? Split property. And the record narration button is present on the add option. Okay, at the end we have question answers. So try to find the answers of all these questions in your book. Okay, at the end I will share the answer sheet. With the help of that sheet you can match your answers. Okay, so that's all for today. Take care of yourselves. Bye bye.